Hi everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing wonderful. I know it is a beautiful Wednesday morning. It is 10:02 and I just ate breakfast and I'm just sitting here. I haven't made a video in forever, but I'm making one now. Um, I was having problems because my old laptop, I had an Acer. It was messed up, so I had to wait a long time to get a new one. So now I got an HP, and it's better. It's so better. But yeah, and it's smaller, and I like smaller laptops. But yeah, I was in Virginia. I just got back like 3 days ago, and I was with my best friend. Shout out to Savannah Potts. We're going through a little bit of complications right now, but everything's just, everything's gonna be fine. What else? I don't know. That master class that I said I was gonna do didn't really work out, so I might not do that. Just trying to work out, trying to go outside every day and exercise. I got so dark. I was in the sun, that Virginia sun. I got dark, but I guess you can't really tell. I don't know, by looking at my other videos compared to now, you probably could see a difference. But I mean, hey, black of the berry, sweet of the chips. These Philippians, I wasn't on here to talk about them, but now I can talk about them. Let's see. Like that. This is the store sleeping, okay? And this, it glows in the dark. Yes, it does. I don't know, but I got it yesterday from my friend, and she gave it to me. I had a whole armful, and I gave it to some guy. I don't even know. It was just like he came through the door, and he was like, "Oh well, me and my college roommates are having this contest of who can get the most silly bands." So he was like, "Do you have any extra?" And I was like, "Just here, just take them." They're getting kind of old anyway. I don't have any friendship bracelets. The friendship bracelets that you say you actually do. Don't have time for that, and I just didn't ask for one from any of my friends. I am a sophomore now. I passed everybody. I passed. Wonderful. I passed, and I didn't really think I was going to. Like, I was just like, I don't even know, but I didn't think I was gonna pass. But I did. Ooh, ooh, excuse me. But yeah, I passed, and I'm so happy because I'm a sophomore. Like, oh my gosh. But what else? Yesterday I hung out with Mark. Shout out to Mark Davis. And I hung out with Brooke and Chris, so shout out to them too. Chris has a YouTube, but I don't know his thing. So yeah. But anyway, yeah, it was fun. I don't even know, but I'm just tired, and I thought I should make a video because I haven't made one in a really long time. So I was like, why not make a video? I'm not doing nothing anyway. But yeah, I'm trying to do this thing where I drink like tons and tons of water. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, but I think I am done here. I'm a little, whatever you call it, but I think I am done here. So, kind of rate and subscribe. I know my channel is kind of boring right now, but I need to do some stuff to make it exciting so I can get more views. But anyway, just if you have any like requests or whatever, um, just message me or comment underneath the videos, and I will be so happy to do. I'll do anything. I'll dance. I'll freaking role play. I don't even care. Just give me some suggestions so my channel can be a little bit funny. All right. Well, I guess that's it. I don't want to waste your time any longer with my boringness, so I'll end it here.